Hey, every pony.
Hey, Pony.
Hey, every pony.
Today we are here with Granny Pony. She came over to have some ice cream with us. Today we are trying Mayfield Creamery Nuts About Crunch Premium Ice Cream. What do you guys think?
I think I'd like to dive into a big bowl of ice cream. It's been a long time since my birthday.
Yeah, back April.
That's right, it was in April. You have a very good memory, Bella Pony.
Let's get started. It's time for Bella's favorite part.
Taste test.
Okay, this is supposed to have vanilla ice cream with toffee fudge chunks, almonds, pecans, and walnuts. Okay, let me try a bite.
It's pretty good.
Closely, you can see that it's got the little bits of nuts and the little bit of toffee.
Look.
Oh my gosh, you're already into it, Bella. Oh, what do you think?
Oops. Granny Pony needs a napkin.
Me too.
Well, what do you think of the flavor, Granny Pony?
Granny Pony can find nothing to complain about because the only thing she would complain about is if it was coffee flavored ice cream. It's tasty, it's sweet, and it's got lots of nuts in it, and those are things I like.
What does Bella Pony think?
Good and sweet.
I'm enjoying it more than I thought I would.
You never were a very big butter pecan fan.
No, if this was true butter pecan, I would not like it at all. This has a hint of the butter pecan taste, but those little toffee chunks that are just subtle, they're not big. You can see there's these little toffee fudge chunks. The little bit of the chocolate for the toffee, and then like there's it's got a hint of a taste that's not the nutty, buttery taste. I did get one bite that tasted just like butter pecan, and that was not my favorite. But it's got a good flavor, and I like it better than a butter pecan because it kind of balances out. The nuts do seem pretty good, like a good quality nut.
The toffee chunks, they have a little bit of a crunch to them.
Yeah, there's not a lot of them. In my opinion, I would like a lot more because I don't like butter pecan. But it's got the pecan and the walnuts. And it's for someone who despises that butter pecan praline taste, it only has a hint of that. I probably won't eat any more of this. I'll make sure that Bella Pony, Granny Pony, and Pop Pony will finish it off. But it's not horrible. And right as I get a taste of the pecan, I'm thinking I don't like pecans that much.
That could be. I like this very much.
Great Granny Pony.
Looks like Mama Pony got into the rum raisin.
Thank you for coming over and having ice cream with us today, Granny Pony.
And thank you for having me. Maybe next time we can have Gigi Pony come and have some ice cream with us too. Bella Pony, do you want to tell every pony who Gigi Pony is?
Yes. Her name is Great Granny Pony.
Great Granny Pony. That's Gigi Pony. How cute is that? Do you remember how old Great Grandma Pony is?
No.
Great Grandma Pony is 96 years old. She loves ice cream too.
Yeah.
And cookies.
Gum.
Well, be sure to come back next week when we have more ice cream.
Yay!
Bye, every pony.
Bye, Pony.
Bye, every pony.
Please click like and subscribe to join our pony family.